Oh my god, this plugin is so good and so simple to use. Mixing a song with just one plugin sounds challenging, right? After trying out more than 50 plugins, I finally found one plugin that could EQ a whole track by itself. But the question is, will it sound good? In this video, I'm about to show you how this user-friendly plugin can make your life easier. The plugin that I am talking about is the Smart EQ 4 from Sonible. This plugin is pretty simple to use. You just put it as an insert on your channel, and you have here this kind of rec button, and here you have also some presets. Right now I have this plugin on my kick, and the kick sounds like this. And I will go and activate the tailor-made EQing sculpting that it will do. So right now it sounds like this. And if we have a look here on the graph, you can see that it has a small boost here on the lows, like before 100 Hertz. And here we have from 100 Hertz until somewhere 600-700 Hertz, somewhere there. And then we have also again a big dip on from 1K until 2.5, somewhere there. And then we have a big boost here on the highs. Now let's go and try the preset. For example, I will go here and choose the drums and choose the kick. And it's really a big difference right now. But let's go back on the universal. And here you can see that we have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You can go and try some other settings here. For example, let's go and put the kick here, the preset from the kick. If you don't like how it sounds, for example, here on the lows or on the highs, you can go and filter out, let's say, like this, for example, and then the EQ will be applied only in this frequency spectrum right now. Now let's go on the next one. The next one is going to be the snare. Okay, this is the preset that we got right now. Now let's go on the shaker. For example, on the shaker, I found this is too much, like seriously. It took out so many highs here from the drums, from the shaker, sorry, and it boosted the low frequency that we don't need. But I will just leave it like it is right now because I want to test it also later how it sounds on the mix. Now let's go on the bass. Okay, the suggestion doesn't sound so bad right now, but we will check it out also later. Now we have here also two guitars. On the chord, it suggests a small dip here and some boosting here and there. On the other side here, on the lead, on the guitar lead, it has also some dipping here and some boosting there. Let's go and use also the Smart EQ on the output, stereo output here. And this is the suggestion that we have right now. So we put the Sonible, the Smart EQ 4 on every channel that we had here. These are two examples that I want to show you also later. So now let's have a listen how everything sounds together. right away I heard that the shaker disappeared when we had the EQ. So in this case, I will just go here and dial down here, on the EQ somewhere there, because I found that this was too much. You can go and take out also these frequencies out, because we don't need these frequencies to be boosted. And also I can hear right away that the kick is a little bit louder right now. We have a lot of bass frequencies. So I will just go here on the kick again and have a look what is going on. So I think that the kick, I can go and take out this adjustment that it suggested, because I found that we had a lot of deep frequencies there that we didn't want to. Now let's go and play again the before and the after. I am still missing some air here from the shaker, so in this case I'll just go and boost a little bit here on the volume on my fader. Now let's go on the special feature that I already mentioned. I'm going to here to choose the guitar lead and the guitar chords, and I want the guitar lead to be the main focus between these two instruments. So right now I'm just going to open the Smart EQ and add to group, and let's make this one guitar. And we are going to add an instance, which is going to be the guitar chords. You can go and choose if you want on the middle or in the back. I'll just put it right now in the middle, and you can see that when I'm changing from the middle to the back, this frequency spectrum here from this EQ is changing. You see that right now it's a bit more boosted, and here it's a bit more in the middle, let's say. So my next step is to go here and press the learn all and let it play. This plugin suggests right now so that we have this EQing curve right now, and let's go and close the view and have a listen how it is with and without this new setting. We can go and do the same here with the kick and the bass. Here it suggests that we have a small boosting on the kick, on the high frequencies from the kick. And on the bass line, we have just a little bit boost here from 120 Hertz, somewhere there. And then this a bit dipping and a little bit boosting again here on these high frequencies. After the changes that we did, we can go here on the master again and learn again. And now let's have a listen how everything sounds together after the changes that we did. I hope you can hear right away that when I use the Smart EQ on every channel, everything becomes a little bit more darker in comparison with earlier that we had a lot of brightness on the higher frequencies. Before I go on, I would like to ask you to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and give a thumbs up. And of course, if you have any question that you want to see on my next videos, don't be afraid to write a comment below. Now let's go and test this plugin on a different kind of style of music. Here I got this track, and right now it sounds like this.
I'm losing sleep, can't you see? Love's got a hold, won't let me be. In the darkness, craving your touch so deep. Every night, I'm lost, I'm losing sleep. The moonlight whispers whisper secrets in my ear. Your voice echoes softly, crystal clear. And I'll remain together, I feel it in the air. Dreams dance before my eyes, a bittersweet affair. Oh, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why I can't sleep without you, without you. You hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight, and I can't live without you, without you, babe. Oh, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why I can't sleep without you, without you.
Okay, now we have an idea how it sounds. Let's go and do the same thing again here. I'll just go and put the Smarty Q on every plugin, on every channel, sorry. So right now we have these suggestions here on the vocals. It says that, oh my god, this is not correct in my opinion.
Tell me why, tell me why.
So we don't need so many boosting on these low frequencies here. And yeah, somehow if it suggests also that we take out some high frequencies from the vocals. Let's go on the drums. Again, we have a lot of boosting here on the lows. Let's go here on the bass. On the bass, we don't have so much boosting, but we have here a small dip, like 2 dBs on the mid-low frequencies, and a little bit more boosting here on the highs. But we don't have so many highs here, so I don't know if it is correct or not, or if we need these highs from the bass line. And here on the other, we have this. Okay, this is not the ideal scenario, but I was just curious to see if I can go and use this plugin on a 4 stems track and to see if what it can do and if it can make it better. So this is the before and the after.
Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why I can't sleep without you, without you. You hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight, and I can't live without you, without you, babe. Oh, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why I can't sleep without you, without you. You hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight, and I can't live without you.
Well, to say the truth, in my opinion, it really failed here in this test because it had a lot of low frequencies that I wouldn't do it if I was going to mix it. So in this case, I would just go here and take this one out, and it could start from 200 Hertz, or I don't know. Let's have a listen again if it is a little bit better.
Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why I can't sleep without you, without you. You hold me tight, hold me tight, hold me tight, and I can't live without you.
Well, to say the truth, I am still not so satisfied, so in this case, it just failed, in my opinion. Now let's go on the final test. I just wanted to test this plugin again on a scenario that we have again only 4 stems, the vocals, the drums, the bass, and the instruments. But this time is more kind of pop, Ariana Grande, R&B kind of track.
You know what you came for, and I got what you need. I got what you need. You know what it's made for, and I got what you need. I got what you need. You know what you came for, and I got what you need.
And let's go and do the same again here on the master.
You know what you came for, and I got what you need. I got what you need. You know what it's made for, and I got what you need.
Let's have a listen how it sounds, everything all together.
You know what you came for, and I got what you need. I got what you need. You know what it's made for, and I got what you need. I got what you need. You know what you came for, and then you found a real one. Just tell me it's on, I'll be ready for you, baby. I'll be ready.
Again, for some reason, it suggests here a big boost, in my opinion, on the low spectrum, which doesn't make the track sound better. So guys, to sum up, I really like this plugin. You have to have all the stems if you want to make it work properly. What do you think about this plugin? Will it make your life easier or no? Let me know in the comments below. And by the way, if you want to learn how to mix vocals with just wave plugins, the easy mode, check out this video.